SlimFast. Just tastes right. Is that what they say in the commercial?
Luscious strawberry, creamy coffee, decadent chocolate, French vanilla.
If you don't know SlimFast was a popular diet in the 90s.
A year ago, when I looked like this, you'd never catch me in a bathing suit. But that was before I lost 30 pounds in 3 months with Ultra SlimFast. Put on a bathing suit, you might look as good as I do.
You do SlimFast for breakfast, you do SlimFast for lunch, and then for dinner...
A sensible dinner, a sensible dinner, a sensible dinner.
Then a sensible dinner.
We're gonna try this diet, and I'll tell you my experience with this diet, and then we'll get down to actually what this diet really is. Oh, 8 ounces of fat-free milk. So you can't even use water, you gotta use fat-free milk. So apparently I failed this diet already because I don't have fat-free milk. That's all I have, 2% milk, so I'm not doing the diet appropriately, but I think I can get a pass for that. This wants me to measure 8 ounces. I don't feel like measuring. So there's about 8 ounces of milk, 1 scoop of SlimFast. Oh, can I get a spoon? And then all you do is stir it. It's looking like chocolate milk. I'm having chocolate milk for breakfast. So I'm not allowed to have anything else. I should have put the camera higher. I'm like crouching down. Yeah. So this morning I did like a really quick leg workout. Nothing really. You know, I just did like 4 or 5 sets of squats. And left it at that because I know I'm gonna be hungry with this. I weigh 210 pounds. You know, I have a decent amount of muscle, so this is not gonna be enough food for me. All right, so I think I stirred that enough. Let's just eat breakfast. It's breakfast time. Cheers, breakfast.
How does it taste?
Well, I didn't stir it enough. I spilled some on the floor. I'll clean that later. That's actually pretty good. That's a weird aftertaste. Man, this is my breakfast. You got your own breakfast. I gotta drink all. This is all I have. She trying to steal my breakfast. Now you can have some.
No, I was just
Just
joking.
take.
I was just joking.
I gotta do the lean back so you can see me drink it. It's thick. Maybe I should have added more milk. Very chocolatey, very thick. It's not too bad.
And now, we back to diet with grandson.
All right, so it's 1 o'clock. So time for shake 2. So let me tell you how I feel right now. I feel like I feel weak. I'm not gonna even measure this. I have to measure it. But it's part of the diet, 8 ounces. I added about 9 ounces. Extremely hungry, extremely lightheaded, foggy. I can't think straight, can't think about anything. I feel terrible. This is probably for, you know, somebody smaller, maybe shorter. I'm about 6'1". Maybe somebody, you know, maybe 5'6", 5'5", maybe like women's size, and you know, you weigh 120 pounds because this isn't working. All I can think about is food. I'm starting to get cravings. You know, I really want to order something like with a shit ton of calories. I want some McDonald's, burgers, French fries, chicken nuggets, you name it. I want it all. Let me talk about this diet real quick while I sit on SlimFast. SlimFast, this is probably, I want to overestimate because I'm not using the right milk. So 8 ounces of this milk, 8 ounces of this milk is 140 calories, and this has 9 grams of protein. This has 2 grams of protein per serving, so I'm getting total 11 grams of protein per shake. So 22 grams of protein I'm getting for the whole day. That has 140 calories, and SlimFast has 110. So total calories is, let's just say, about 250 calories per shake. So breakfast, 250, lunch. I'm drinking a little more milk today for lunch. Let's just say 300 calories with this shake. 300 plus 250 is 550. So between breakfast and lunch, I'm getting 550 calories. About 25, I'll say 25 grams of protein, which is nothing because I'm 210 pounds. Obviously, I need to cut down, which is why I'm doing SlimFast. No, not really. Obviously, I need to cut down. I really need to keep my protein up about 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per body weight. So this isn't even close to enough. I'm gonna be lagging on protein tremendously today. So this diet is definitely not for a man who lifts weights. So essentially, how does this SlimFast diet work? It's lowering your calories. You're confused about what I'm talking about. It's lowering your calories. So, like I said, 550 calories for breakfast and lunch. What's for dinner? It says have a decent dinner. So dinner is gonna involve vegetables and lean chicken breast, let's say. That's gonna be about 400 calories. It's gonna total be about 1,000 calories. Like, that's where the trick comes in. You can have a candy bar. That's where they get you. Oh, you can have a candy bar for dessert. That's how good our diet is. How much is a candy bar? Like 300 calories? 400 max? I don't know, I haven't eaten a candy bar in a long time, maybe about 2 years. Your candy bar is 400 calories, so total for the day, you're getting, let's just say 1,500 calories. That is very low. And if you're drinking slim milk like you're supposed to, it's gonna be even lower. I'm gonna ask you a question. Comment this. What are you gonna do after you're done on this SlimFast diet? Am I gonna do this for the rest of my life? I feel like shit today. I'm craving foods and I'm not supposed to have. Can I do this? How long can I do this realistically without burning out? Maybe one day. For somebody with more willpower than me, maybe a week. But what are you gonna do after you lose the weight? Do you think you can do that for the rest of your life? I don't think so. If I didn't have protein shakes, maybe I'm lacking on calories. This might come in handy. I don't think any diet's good, but I don't think this is sustainable. No diet's sustainable. I don't know when I'm gonna eat dinner. I think I'm gonna have to eat at 5 o'clock because I am extremely hungry. Yeah, that was fire. It was crazy. This is what I'm gonna break my SlimFast with. Now this looks unhealthy, but if you know my recipes, you know that this is made with Greek yogurt. There's no mayonnaise in this, so Greek yogurt. I got homemade fries, not that many. I do have 3 slices of cheese, but I need some fats today. And then I have lean beef, so 90%. I didn't get 92%, that still tastes pretty good. But 90% lean ground beef. So we're not dealing with that 75% that takeout fast food gives you. Man. So currently it's 4:09. I was gonna eat an hour from now, or even 6, but you know, I'm super hungry. I can't deal with this. This SlimFast is too much for me. So the whole point of this video is just to show how long can you do this. I'm in misery. I can't do this for more than 1 day. If you do a diet that you can't do, you're not gonna do it long term. So I don't know how many calories this is. I didn't really measure, but this is probably max 1,000 calories. The worst thing here is the cheese. You can use low fat, no fat cheese. I decided to go full fat because, like I said, I feel terrible. I need fat. So anyway, so I'm gonna eat this. Yeah, don't be doing those diets, they don't work. So SlimFast. Actually, you know what? SlimFast pretty good though. You know, if I need some extra calories, I bought this, I'm gonna use it to get some extra calories. You can see here it says 4 hours hunger control. What are you talking about? I was hungry immediately. I was hungry all day today. There was not a second I wasn't not hungry, right? I was hungry all day. I was cranky all day. Like, what did they talk about? 4 hours. Satiety was measured in a laboratory controlled setting. You see that? So they measured it probably with people that don't weigh anything. They might not even be overweight. Just eat normal. Figure out a way to cut calories. Don't get slop from outside. You know what trick? If you like to eat like this, you like McDonald's. I love McDonald's. I love Taco Bell, pizza. I found my way. If you like eating like that, hey, my cookbook's coming out soon. I'm gonna teach you how to eat like this. You can lose weight at the same time. You don't have to suffer and lose weight. Anyways, I'm gonna eat this because I was suffering with SlimFast. I ain't suffering no longer. I failed SlimFast. But yeah, comment for the algorithm. You know, let me know like what you think of the video, what I should do next, what to change. I don't know. Just comment like for the algorithm and stuff. And yeah, see you on the next video.